In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Slack for Windows. Let's get started right away by preparing to download the app. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your internet browser. It doesn't matter which one you choose. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other. Next, navigate to slack.com/downloads Windows. Once you're on the Slack download page, you'll see a button that says Download Slack for Windows. Go ahead and click on that button. When you do this, the installer file for Slack, which is a .exe file, will begin downloading on your computer. Now that the installer has been downloaded, your next step is to run it. You'll likely find the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. To get there, open File Explorer and navigate to Downloads. Look for the file named slacksetup.exe. Now go ahead and double-click this file. When you double-click, the installation process will begin and on-screen instructions will appear to guide you through the setup. Simply follow these instructions. The good news is Slack is designed to install automatically, and once the installation is complete, Slack will open automatically as well, which is really convenient. The next thing you'll want to do is sign in to your workspace. When Slack opens up for the first time, a Sign in to Slack button will be visible on your screen. Click this button. From there, you'll need to enter your workspace URL. This usually looks something like yourteamslack.com. After entering your URL, you'll be prompted to log in with your email address and password, and just like that, you're signed in. Now, if you are someone who is part of multiple workspaces, Slack makes it easy for you to manage them all. You can add multiple workspaces to your Slack app and switch between them seamlessly whenever you need to. As an extra tip, for easy and fast access to Slack in the future, you might want to pin it to your taskbar. To do this, locate the Slack icon in your taskbar, then right-click it. In the menu that appears, select Pin to Taskbar. This way, opening Slack will be quick and efficient. Just one click away every time you start your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Slack on your Windows computer. Now you're all set to connect, communicate, and collaborate with your team more effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.